Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring the concept of self-growth, considering how we might balance our yearning to grow and expand with the truth that we are whole and complete as we are. To begin, I invite you to come to a comfortable seated position with your back straight and your shoulders pulled ever so softly backwards. Allow the shoulders to soften as you close your eyes, tuning into the world within. Letting all thoughts of the past and all ideas about the future begin to soften. Feel yourself becoming more present as you tune in with your current direct experience. Notice the ground beneath you, the air around you, and any sounds that fill your ears. And then, enhance your awareness of the physical body, noting how it feels in this moment. See if you might soften any tightness or ease into any discomfort here. And if needed, feel free to make any mindful adjustments necessary for your peace and comfort. Once the body is as relaxed as it can become in this moment, draw your attention to the breath, following its gentle ebb and flow through the body. You might liken the breath to a gentle wave coming into and out of the coastline. Spend just another few moments with the breath before we dive deeper into the world within. I invite you to consider now, what does self-growth mean to you? What does it feel like? What about personal development? What does that embody? Personal development and self-growth are highly sought after in our society, and yet the two have slightly different energies behind them. Personal development often involves a yearning to become something that we are not already, something more like the confident person in the room or the creative one. Self-growth, on the other hand, is a process of becoming more of who we already are. It is about opening up to the truth about what is present within us. Where personal development might hold some sense that we are not enough as we are, self-growth embodies both self-acceptance and a desire to deepen our understanding of our true nature. Self-growth is compassionate and gentle, encouraging us to inquire more intently with the world within. To explore this further, I invite you to begin by tuning in with the heart space, opening the chest ever so gently if that feels comfortable. As you breathe, hold your attention for a few breath cycles on the heart space, feeling an expansion and then a softening with each inhalation and each exhalation. I invite you to bring a very subtle, warm smile to your face, or to simply feel one arising inside of you. This smile reminds us that we are whole and at peace, exactly as we are. And now, I invite you to play in your imagination for a few moments, envisioning yourself standing on a tropical beach. It is just you in this wide open space. You have nothing but the clothes on your back. Spend some time here to explore what it feels like to be completely in your body here. Perhaps you sit peacefully on the sand. Perhaps you dance freely. Perhaps you run, walk, or move in some other way. Feel joy pulsating through each cell of your body as you explore this. What is this person like? How do they carry themselves in this free and natural space? Allow your heart to open even wider here, giving and receiving its acceptance without condition. Spend just a few more moments allowing your envisioned self to move freely, peacefully, and joyfully in this space. And now, gently let that imagery dissolve, tuning back into the breath as it flows through. The vision you created, that vision was born within you. It is not a future you, it is a part of who you are right now. As the true self grows, it unveils its innate joy, peace, and radiance, just as you explored in your uninhibited mind. Take a few more slow and steady breaths to recenter yourself here, watching the ebb and flow of this life force that enters you. And then tune into the earth beneath you. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes to the world around you. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.